Yo, what's up everybody? We've all been there. That moment when you really need to use your Telstra service and bam, no connection or the spinning wheel of doom. Whether you're dealing with dropped calls, internet outages or your home phone's gone silent, it's beyond frustrating. But don't worry, in this video, I'm breaking down the top reasons why Telstra might be acting up and, more importantly, how to fix it yourself, step by step. We'll cover everything from quick fixes for your phone to troubleshooting your home phone setup. Plus, I'll even give you some pro tips on how to avoid these headaches in the future. So, if you're ready to get your Telstra service back up and running smoothly, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, let's tackle those frustrating moments when your phone decides to go off the grid. You're seeing no service, the signal bars have completely disappeared. It's basically a tiny brick in your hand at this point. Don't panic, we've got this. The first thing you want to try is the classic tech fix, restarting your phone. Just power it down, wait a few seconds and power it back up. If that didn't do the trick, let's try resetting your network settings. Head over to your phone settings, find the network settings option and look for reset network settings. Still stuck? Double check that you've got enough credit on your account or that your plan is active. And while you're at it, make sure your phone isn't blocked. You never know. Pro tip. If you've ruled out all these other possibilities and you're still having trouble, it might be time to check for a software update. Sometimes those carrier settings can get out of whack and an update can often work wonders. Okay, so maybe it's not your mobile phone that's giving you the silent treatment. If your Telstra home phone has stopped working, don't worry, we've got a game plan. First, try the power cycle method. Turn off all your phone equipment at the power point. Wait 10 seconds, then switch everything back on. Next, isolate the problem with a standard corded phone. Plug it directly into your phone socket. If the corded phone works, the issue is with your cordless phone or setup. If not, it could be a line problem. Still having trouble? Call Telstra's customer support for help. Sometimes the problem isn't you, it's them. Yep, even tech giants like Telstra have their off days. Before you go tearing your hair out any further, let's check if there's a network outage in your area. The easiest way to do this is to head over to the Telstra website. They usually have a dedicated section for network status updates where you can check for any known outages or planned maintenance in your area. And hey, if you're more of a social media person, you can also check their Twitter feed or Facebook page, as they often post updates there as well. Now, if you find out that there is indeed an outage affecting your area, unfortunately, there's not much you can do but wait it out. Telstra will usually be working hard to get things back up and running as quickly as possible. But hey, at least you know you're not alone in this. On the other hand, if you can't find any information about an outage but you're still experiencing problems, it's definitely worth reporting the issue to Telstra directly. You can do this through their website, their app, or by giving them a call. The more information you can provide them with, the better. Let them know what services are affected, how long you've been experiencing the issue, and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This will help them get to the bottom of the problem faster. Alright, let's take things up a notch. Telstra has powerful troubleshooting tools that can be a real lifesaver. First up, the My Telstra app. Manage your account, check bills and troubleshoot services. Log in, head to support and diagnose issues. The Telstra website also has a support section. Access a range of troubleshooting tools. Run diagnostics on your internet connection. Check your home phone line. Get help with your mobile device. Telstra's smart modem is a game changer. It detects and diagnoses internet problems, runs self-healing routines automatically. Pretty cool, right? If all else fails, contact Telstra support. They're available 24/7 for any technical difficulties. So there you have it. Telstra has a whole arsenal of tools to help you troubleshoot and fix any problems. Explore these options and see what works best for you. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground on how to fix Telstra issues when they rear their ugly heads. But you know what's even better than fixing a problem? Avoiding it altogether. Stay informed about planned maintenance. Telstra announces these in advance on their website and via SMS. Always have a backup plan, like a mobile data option from another provider. Keep your equipment in good shape. Dust off your modem and router regularly. Optimize your Wi-Fi by placing your router centrally and away from interference. And finally, don't hesitate to ask for help from Telstra's customer support. So, there you have it, your complete guide to tackling those pesky Telstra issues head-on. Hopefully, these tips will help you get back online and stay connected. Did these troubleshooting steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always down to hear your tech tales. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now, for an even deeper dive into managing your network, check out my next video on the best apps to monitor network performance. You can find the link right here. Until next time, stay connected.